let's find out the population of this school. A school increases its population by 25%. There were 120 pupils originally, so which means that at first there were 120 pupils. So now they are increasing it by 25%. So let's find out 25% of 120, and that essentially gives us 25 over 100 times 120. 25 goes in 100 4 times, and you have 4 goes in 12, 3, and here's 0. So which means that there's an increase of 30 pupils. Alright, if that is the increase, so which means that 120 will no longer be 120. We're now going to be having 120 plus 30 pupils. So we have 150 pupils. Now moving on, we have it that after a term, the pupils reduced by 15%. How many pupils are there now? So which means that for one reason or the other, the pupils actually reduced by 15%. So let's find out the reduction. 15% of the new number of pupils, so that means 15% of 150. So that essentially gives us 15 over 100 multiplied by 150. So surely you have your 0 goes in that, and you have 5 goes here 3 times, 5 goes here 2. So that is, you have 3 times 15 all over 2. So you are going to be having 45 over 2, and that gives you 22.5. Alright, so we cannot have half of a human being, right? So definitely you just say approximately 23 people. That's 23 pupils left. So if 23 people actually left the school, so what do we have left? So out of the 150 students, 23 left. So what do we have left? This is going to be 7, right? And 2 here is going to be 2, and that's going to give us 2 and 1. So we have 120 pupils left. Alright, and that is what I have for you for today. Olukotimi Olukoni Olaje from Pedia Tutors.